our CMT range of entry-level torsion bar machines. Now, because they're entry-level, it doesn't mean that we've skimped on any features. We put a lot of features on these machines that are not standard with our competitors, but we feel that with the additional features that we put on the machine, it gives the operator and the company who's buying it a lot more functionality. So let me take you through a few of those features. The controller is from an Aussie company called Presstek. They've been building controllers now for many, many years. This is a 2D graphical interface touchscreen. So it's simple to use, which is fantastic, but it gives you a 2D graphical interface as well. So the operator can see a side-on profile of the job he's doing. Now, guarding system is out of a company called LaserSafe in Perth. You can see the construction, how well made those brackets are. And we use linear guardrails, which are these guys here. It makes it nice and smooth to move it up and down. And the way this works is, in there you've got 3 light beams, one at the back, one in the middle, and one at the front of the tools. And that just stops the operator from getting his hands caught underneath there and shuts the machine down. Now, if you go along here, the clamping system, this is a nifty feature on us. It's quick release. So you take that, you flick it open, and that releases the tool. But this guy here in particular, really simple but great feature. That over there, once you flick that lever open and you push that little red button down, it actually releases the tool. So if you've got a lot of segmented tools and you want to take the tool out from the front of the machine, you can undo those clamps, press those red tabs, and pull the tool directly out of the front of the machine. This over here, running the length of the machine, that's a mechanical crowning table. So when you are doing bending, as most of you know, the middle of the press is where you get the crowning effect, and traditionally you'll go into factories and see it packed up with newspaper. This stops that from happening. So if you're getting any of that deformation in the middle of the machine, you come here with the Allen key, you turn it, and that will push wedges in the bed back and forth to actually compensate. Simple, but really, really functional. This over here, that's for the guarding systems. Go back to that. What that does is that shows you the status of the guarding system. So it's very intuitive and easy to use. The front sheet supports run on linear guardways. So that's these guys here. Nice and simple movement. But the good thing about this is when you look at it up here, this is a highly durable plastic. So when you bending jobs, stainless steel, or anything that you don't want scratched, it's a great feature because that will stop your material from getting scratched. Now we'll go around to the back of the machine. The machine does come with side guards. So that's got interlock switches. So if you open it, it switches the machine off for OH&S purposes. Now the back of the machine is open, which is great because it's easy accessible. But over here, these guys here, that's light curtains, and what that does is that's got your barrier, you break it, it switches the machine off. Now, great feature on this machine is the back gauge mechanism. So if you have a look at there, that's linear guardrails and ball screw. So what that means is quicker positioning on your back gauge, which is roughly about 250 millimeters a second, and very, very smooth. Now on our machines, we use servo motors. So that over there, servo motor for your back gauge, also servo motor, I'll come up here, servo motor over there, positioning the depth of the beam and the stops in the cylinders. So what that means for you guys is that the positioning is going to be a lot quicker than normal motors, plus it's going to be a lot more accurate. That over here is your back gauge. And that handle over there is just to lift it up and down. So if you do want to move your back gauge, your R axis up and down, it's a simple process. You don't have to undo bolts and push it up and down. All you do is you undo that and you use the handle to move it up and down. You can see the overall build quality of this machine is fantastic. It's well made. The finish is really good on these machines. Component wise, we use top quality components as well. The hydraulic system over there, fortunately I can't get up there to show you, but it uses Rexroth, which is a German brand. And over here, the motor is from Siemens, also another German brand. So the quality of these machines for price ratio, just brilliant. The back gauge there, also linear guideways, which these fingers run on. As standard, we put 4 fingers on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's on 3 meter machines and 4 meter machines. And that's just standard configuration. Over there, that is segmented tooling as well that we put on the machines. So it gives you just an extra set of segmented tooling. Now, opening up the electrical cabinet, you can see how clean and well organized it is. Component wise is Schneider, so top quality components, and servo motors are Delta, which is out of Taiwan. So this is just a few features that we offer on our CMT entry-level press brakes. But if you've got an inquiry or want more information, please do get in touch with us.